Friends, have you just started learning English? Are you at the beginner's level? Then this video is going to be very important for you. So, welcome once again. Friends, English is the only language which is spoken almost in all the countries of the world. It is considered as the global language or the world language. So everyone tries to learn to speak in English. So what is the basic to do that? To learn a language, the first step is to know the words of that language as many as possible. Why? Because if you don't know the right words for what you want to say, then you have to just keep mum. So, English is not an exception to this rule. We should try to learn as many words as we can. So, I have compiled a list of action words at the beginner's level, which we are going to learn today. Just watch the video once. It will surely give a boost to your English vocabulary. Next, I will bring another list of action words. So, let's have fun with our action words today. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. Read मतलब पढ़ना. Read माने पढ़ा. We read books to get knowledge. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Write मतलब लिखना. Write माने लिखा. He can write very fast. Draw. D-R-A-W. Draw. Draw मतलब चित्र बनाना. Draw माने औका. I am drawing an elephant. Sketch. S-K-E-T-C-H. Sketch. Sketch मतलब नक्शा खींचना. Sketch माने नक्शा औका. He is sketching the design of a building. Paint. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. Paint मतलब चित्र बनाना, रंगना. Paint माने रंग करा. A person who paints is called a painter. Color. C-O-L-O-U-R. Color. Color मतलब रंग चढ़ाना. Color माने रंग करा. Color your drawing to look beautiful. Feel. F-E-E-L. Feel. Feel मतलब महसूस करना. Feel माने अनुभव करा. We feel hot or cold with our skin. Hear. H-E-A-R. Hear. Hear मतलब सुनना. Hear माने सुना. We hear with our ears. Smell, SMELL, smell. Smell मतलब सूंघना. Smell माने गंध लुआ. We smell with our nose. See, SEE, see मतलब निहारना. See माने देखा. We see with our eyes. Listen, LISTEN, listen. Listen मतलब ध्यान देकर सुनना. Listen माने मोनोजुगेरे होना. We should listen attentively what our teachers say. Eat, EAT, eat. Eat मतलब भोजन करना. खाना खाना. Eat माने खुआ. We eat different kinds of fruit and vegetables. Drink, DRINK, drink. Drink मतलब पीना. Drink माने पी खुआ. I drink a lot of water every day. Make, MAKE, make. Make मतलब बनाना. Make माने तैयार करा. We make different things from trees. BUILD, build. Build मतलब निर्माण करना. Build माने हौजा. Humans build houses to live in. Fall, FALL, fall. Fall मतलब गिरना. Fall माने पड़ी जुआ. The leaves fall from the trees in autumn. Smile, SMILE, smile. Smile मतलब मुस्कुराना. Smile माने मिसिकियाई होहा. My mother smiles every time when I look at her. Laugh, LAUGH, laugh. Laugh मतलब हंसना. Laugh माने होहा. They were laughing at the joker. Shout, SHOUT, shout. Shout मतलब चिल्लाना. Shout माने Sierra. The angry boy was shouting to the shopkeeper. Scream, SCREAM, scream. Scream मतलब चीखना. Scream মানে আবেগত নাইবা ভয়ত চিঞৰা. The girl was screaming seeing the horror scene. Shriek, SHRIEK, shriek. Shriek मतलब जोर से चिल्लाना. Shriek মানে আবেগত ভয়ত নাইবা বিকট চিঞৰা. The lady shrieked when she saw a ghost. Scold, SCOLD, scold. Scold मतलब डांटना. Scold মানে গালি পারা. The teacher scolded the boys who were making noise. Touch, TOUCH, touch. Touch मतलब स्पर्श करना. Touch মানে স্পর্শ করা. If you touch an electric wire, you'll get a shock. Tickle, TICKLE, tickle. Tickle मतलब गुदगुदी करना. Tickle মানে হুড়হুড়া দিয়া নাইবা ভাকুত কুটা. We laugh when we are tickled. Pinch, PINCH, ouch. चटकी लेना. Pinch मतलब चटकी देना. Pinch মানে sikuta. Everyone pinched the new boy's cheeks. Pat, PAT, pat. Pat मतलब थपथपाना. Pat माने थोपड़ी हुआ. The teacher patted on his back to encourage him. Look, LOOK, look. Look मतलब देखना. Look माने सुआ. They are looking me through the window. Stare or gaze, STARE or GAZE, stare or gaze. Stare or gaze मतलब आंखें गाड़ कर देखना. Stare or gaze माने रो लगी साई थका. He is staring or gazing at the twinkling stars in the sky. Cry, CRY, cry. Cry मतलब रोना. Cry माने कांदा. The baby is crying as it is hungry. Weep, WEEP weep. Weep मतलब गला फाड़ फाड़ कर रोना. Weep মানে কান্দা. বেজার করা. হুক করা. The woman is weeping at the death of her husband. Sob, SOB, sob. Sob मतलब सिसकना. हिचकी भर कर रोना. Sob माने फेकुरी फेकुरी कांदा. The lonely boy is sobbing in the fair. Yawn. 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 Yawn मतलब अंगड़ाई लेना. Yawn माने हामी मारा. We generally yawn when we feel sleepy. Blink. 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 Blink मतलब पलक झपकना. Blink माने सकू झपकू हुआ. A person blinks 10 to 15 times in a minute. Wink. 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 Wink मतलब आँख मारना. Wink माने सकू टिपा. He winked at me not to tell the truth. Sneeze. 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 Sneeze मतलब चीखना. Sneeze माने हंसी मारा. Please cover your nose when you sneeze. Slip. 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 Slip मतलब फिसलना. Slip माने फिसली पड़ा. The boy slipped while skating. Get up. GET space UP. Get up. Get up मतलब उठना, जागना. Get up माने उठा. We should get up from bed early in the morning. Sit. 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 Sit मतलब बैठना. Sit माने बोहा. People are sitting on chairs in the auditorium. Stand. 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 Stand मतलब खड़ा होना. Stand माने थियो दिया. They are standing in a queue to get into the bus. Kneel. 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 Kneel मतलब घुटना टेकना. Kneel माने आठू करहा. We kneel ourselves while praying. Sleep. 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 Sleep मतलब विश्राम करना, सोना. Sleep माने टुपुनी मारा. We sleep at night. Walk. 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 Walk मतलब चलना. Walk माने खुजकाढ़ा. He walks 6 miles a day to keep himself fit. Run. 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 Run मतलब दौड़ना. Run माने दौड़ा. The players are running after the ball. Jog. 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 Jog मतलब धीरे धीरे दौड़ना. Jog माने लाहे लाहे दौड़ा. Many people jog in the morning in our area. Hop. 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 Hop मतलब एक पैर के बल कूदना. Hop माने लाहे लाहे झुपी हुआ. The birds are hopping and chirping. Crawl. 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 Crawl मतलब रेंगना. Crawl माने मातीरे बोगाई जुआ. The baby is crawling on the floor. Float. 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 Float मतलब बहना, वायु पर तैरना. Float माने बहा, ऊपरी फुरा. Ice floats on water. Clouds float in the air. Creep. 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 Creep मतलब पेट के बल खिसकना. Creep माने सुसुरी जुआ. The plants which creep are called creepers. Climb. 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 Climb मतलब चढ़ाई करना. Climb माने बोगुआ. Do you know how to climb a tree? Dance. 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 Dance मतलब नाचना. Dance माने नशा. The children are dancing in happiness. Play. 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 Play मतलब खेलना. Play माने खेला. We classmates play football in the evening. Exercise. 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 Exercise मतलब व्यायाम करना. Exercise माने व्यायाम करा. We should exercise regularly to be healthy. Meditate. 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 Meditate मतलब ध्यान लगाना. Meditate माने ध्यान करा. I saw a monk meditating under a tree. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Sing मतलब गाना. Sing माने गुआ. We sing our national anthem in the morning assembly. Turn. T-U-R-N. Turn. Turn मतलब मुड़ना. Turn माने घुरा. बा घुरुआ. He suddenly turned himself and saw me. Twist. T-W-I-S-T. Twist. Twist मतलब मरोड़ना. Twist माने बेका कोरा. She twists her body in such a way if she had no bones. Curl. C-U-R-L. Curl. Curl मतलब घुघराला बनाना. Curl माने मुसुरा. Some girls curl their hair to look beautiful. Bend. B-E-N-D. Bend. Bend मतलब मोड़ना. Bend माने बेका कोरा. While doing yoga, you bend your bodies in many ways. Fold. F-O-L-D. Fold. Fold मतलब तह करना. Fold माने भाज करा. We fold our clothes neatly and keep it in the wardrobe. Squeeze. S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E. Squeeze. Squeeze मतलब निचोड़ना. Squeeze माने सेपा. She is squeezing the lemon hard to get the last drop of juice. Scratch. S-C-R-A-T-C-H. Scratch. Scratch मतलब खरोचना. Scratch माने खुजुआ. He is scratching his head, trying to remember the answer. Stretch. S-T-R-E-T-C-H. Stretch. Stretch मतलब फैलाना. Stretch माने टानी दिघोल करा. He can stretch his legs horizontally on the ground. Spin. S-P-I-N. SPIN 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 मतलब घुमाना spin माने घुरुआ My head is spinning out of tension Break 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 मतलब तोड़ना फोड़ना break माने भांगा He broke the glass into pieces. Tear 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 मतलब छीनना tear माने सीना The students tore pages from their notebooks to make paper boats. Sharpen 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 मतलब चोखा करना sharpen माने जुंगा करा My mom sharpens my pencils before going to school. Straighten 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 मतलब सीधा करना straighten माने पून करा He ironed his dress to straighten the folds on it. Dig 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 मतलब खोदना dig माने खोंदा The other day Harry dug a hole in the ground. Hang 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 मतलब लटकाना टांगना hang माने उलोमाई रखा We hang our wet clothes in the sun to dry. Hold 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 मतलब पकड़ना hold माने धरा I always hold my father's hand to cross a road. Knock 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 मतलब खटखटाना knock माने टुकुरी हुआ The postman knocked on the door to deliver the parcel. Cough 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 मतलब खांसना cough माने काह मरा The ailing man is coughing continuously. Pray 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 मतलब प्रार्थना करना pray माने प्रार्थना करा Muslims pray 5 times a day. Spit 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 मतलब थूकना spit माने थू पेलुआ We should not spit in public places. Joke, Joke, joke. Joke मतलब ठट्टा करना. Joke माने ধেমালি করা. He jokes me of my painting. Carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry. Carry मतलब उठा लाना. Carry माने कोढ़ियुआ. The man is carrying a heavy bundle on his head. Learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn. Learn मतलब सीखना. Learn माने हिका. Students learn many things in internet. Teach, T-E-A-C-H, teach. Teach मतलब सिखाना. Teach माने हिकुआ. Every person in this world teaches us a lesson. Count, C-O-U-N-T, count. Count मतलब गिनती करना. Count माने गणना करा. I counted the money twice to be sure. Enjoy, E-N-J-O-Y, enjoy. Enjoy मतलब आनंद लेना. Enjoy माने उपभोग करा. We enjoyed the movie we watched last night. Kick, K-I-C-K, kick. Kick मतलब लात मारना. Kick माने लथुआ. The player kicked the ball hard to score the goal. Hit, H-I-T, hit. Hit मतलब प्रहार करना. Hit माने आघात करा. The batsman hit the ball out of the field. Beat, B-E-A-T, beat. Beat मतलब पीटना, हराना. Beat माने कुबुआ, होरुआ. The man beat the boy for stealing his money. Strike, S-T-R-I-K-E, strike. Strike मतलब चोट देना. Strike माने आघात करा. The bullet struck on the leg of the thief. Punch, P-U-N-C-H, punch. Punch मतलब मुक्का मारना. Punch माने घुसा मारा. The fighter punched on the opponent's face. push, P-U-S-H, push. Push मतलब धक्का मारना. Push माने ठेला बा हेसा मारा. He pushed the door to open it. Pull, P-U-L-L, pull. Pull मतलब खींचना. Pull माने टाना बा आजुरा. Please don't pull my hair. It hurts. Blow, B-L-O-W, blow. Blow मतलब फूंक मारना, बजाना, बहना. Blow माने बोला, फुआ बा बोजुआ. He is blowing the balloons. A strong wind is blowing. Ring, R-I-N-G, ring. Ring मतलब बजना, बजाना. Ring माने बोजा बा बोजुआ. He rang the doorbell but no one answered. Fight, F-I-G-H-T, fight. Fight मतलब लड़ाई करना. Fight माने काजिया करा. Two friends fought over a treasure. Attack, A-T-T-A-C-K, attack. Attack मतलब आक्रमण करना. Attack माने आक्रमण करा. The robbers attacked the person with a knife. Drag, D-R-A-G, drag. Drag मतलब घसीटना. Drag माने तानी सुसुराई निया. The little girl dragged the chair from there. Lift, L-I-F-T, lift. Lift मतलब उठाना. Lift माने डांगा. My papa can lift me easily. Drop, D-R-O-P, drop. Drop मतलब गिराना. Drop माने फैलाई दिया. The wrestler dropped the barbell just after lifting. Drive, D-R-I-V-E, drive. Drive मतलब गाड़ी चलाना. Drive माने गाड़ी सोलुआ. He drives the car in rainy weather. Ride, R-I-D-E, ride. Ride मतलब सवारी करना. Ride माने घोड़ा बा साइकिल सोलुआ. I ride my bicycle to go to school. Dive, D-I-V-E, dive. Dive मतलब डुब डुबकी लगाना. Dive मने डूब मारा. The man dived into the pool from the top of the building. Swim. 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 Swim मतलब तैरना. Swim मने हथुरा. Shrimanta Shankardev swam across the river Brahmaputra. Fly. 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 Fly मतलब उड़ना. Fly मने उड़ा. The birds are flying in the sky. Throw. 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 Throw मतलब फेंकना. Throw मने दुलुआ. Please don't throw garbage around your neighbor's home. Catch. 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 Catch मतलब पकड़ना. Catch मने धोरा. The baby is trying to catch the butterfly. Come. 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 Come मतलब आना. Come मने ओहा. He came home after a long journey. Go. 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 Go मतलब जाना. चलना. Go मने जुआ. We go to school on foot. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and share the video with your friends and relatives. Please suggest me to improve my videos so that I can bring important videos to you. Bye-bye.